This is the firmware update that I've been waiting for that I didn't even know I wanted. Rode just dropped something that is going to be absolutely game-changing when it comes to audio transmission and getting remote people into your productions, and it's pretty cool. Now, Vortex Communications is a UK-based company that has had a plugin for the RØDECaster for a while called CallMe. Well, it looks like Rode and Vortex have gotten together and launched what they're calling RØDE CallMe. So it's available right now to beta testers on the RØDECaster Pro and the RØDECaster Duo. Version is 1.6.3 if you want to go ahead and install that. To install the beta, it's pretty simple. All you got to do is hit the settings cog on the top. You go to System, then Information, and then View Device Information. I'm already on the beta right here, but if you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, eventually it switches the firmware and you're going to be able to get that beta update. So once you install the beta software, pick a channel that you want to assign it to. You click the settings cog on the channel and you'll see CallMe is available on the bottom right. You choose CallMe, you hit the accept button. It's asking me to reassign it because I had it assigned already. And now on the screen, you'll see CallMe, seamless high quality IP audio for live broadcast, podcast, and streaming. And you'll see the code that it generates, CallMe configuration if you want to configure something. And you can even have processing on the channel as well. And then that code is what you give to another person with a RØDECaster or someone you give the address to on the web where they can use their computer to join your conversation. If you want to call a RØDECaster, you hit call RØDECaster. Enter the code that they gave you, you hit done, and it's going to ring on their end and allow them to answer that call, and that person will be on that channel. It automatically creates the mix minus for you, so you don't even have to worry about feedback or any of that as well. Now, of course, one of the coolest features of this is the fact that it's built right into the RØDECaster. You don't need any third-party hardware or third-party software, and it gives you real-time, high-fidelity, ultra-low latency remote calling over the Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection. You do want a solid connection to the internet so that you can get nice high-quality recording. It uses broadcast quality codecs like Opus and G.72. So many cool things in the background that I've been used to in the broadcast world, and being able to do this from RØDECaster to RØDECaster or send somebody a link to join my podcast production from the other side is absolutely going to change the game for creators. During the beta testing period, you're going to be able to try some really cool stuff out for free. There will be different tiers later on with a price tag of about $10 a month that'll give you advanced features if you want to be able to do that. So the beta right now, you could have one CallMe channel, which is what's called RØDE CallMe Lite. So one CallMe channel on the actual RØDECaster, you get 10 hours of RØDECaster to RØDECaster recording per month and 5 hours for the browser-based interface. All this free with the latest firmware. They're going to have a $9.99 tier, as I mentioned, that has 2 CallMe channels, so you can have 2 people joining you, whether they have a RØDECaster or use the actual URL that you give them, which is callme.rode.com. And plus that will unlock unlimited RØDECaster to RØDECaster connectivity, of course, the full browser guest control, and it's an ideal solution for people who are doing regular podcasts on a weekly basis, for example. They will have a higher tier called RØDE CallMe Pro. That's going to be $49.99. That's going to add a third CallMe channel, so 3 remote guests. You're going to have support for SIP, so if people have phone systems that you want to integrate directly to it, you'll be able to switch the codec and get fine-tuning, and even IP audio compatibility. That's going to be for more advanced users who really want to dial things in and maybe use third-party tools to actually connect to this device, something I'm definitely going to be diving into in my broadcast-grade equipment to see if I can use the RØDECaster in the field to connect to some higher quality, higher end devices. Basically, it turns your RØDECaster into a broadcast control hub and a great remote contribution platform. Rode has a great explainer video on their website. I'll link to it in the description below where you can see exactly how to set it up, how to use the features, and it reiterates basically everything I just told you. Super excited about this feature, and I'm excited for other people to get their hands on it. I already tried it out with my friend Steven on the Double Tap podcast, and we were just having a conversation. Low latency, no delay, high quality with his pro setup to my pro setup, and it is absolutely astonishing. I wonder when this is going to come to the RØDECaster video, and we can get video back and forth. RØDE CallMe is available in beta now. Again, rewind to the beginning of the video if you want to see how to get that on your device, and let's start chatting in high fidelity, really high quality mode. And let's start chatting, maybe RØDECaster to RØDECaster. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, and let us know in the comments below if there's something you want us to check out specifically with this, or let us know what your experience is like with RØDE CallMe.